When people think of pregnancy pains, many think of the discomfort of labor and delivery. But those 9 months leading up to the big day can make you feel like your life is just one ache, twinge, and cramp after another. Most pregnancy-related pain is related, in some way, to a lack of support. You carry a lot of extra weight while growing a baby, and that puts intense amounts of pressure on your back, hips and pubic bone, legs, and feet. This can feel especially noticeable during and after sleep, when it's easy to remain in a less than ergonomic position for hours on end. Since many pain relief options are off the table during pregnancy, you have to get creative about preventing and treating these discomforts. Using a pregnancy pillow, for example, is a great way to ward off many of the most common aches and pains. Pregnancy pillows are specially designed to provide extra support in all the places most affected by your growing baby and belly. Your body's shape during pregnancy is pretty unique. Most traditional pillows aren't made to hug the contours of a pregnant body, leaving you vulnerable to back pain, leg cramps, pelvic stiffness, and, ultimately, restless nights or even insomnia. There are three main areas where pregnancy pillows really shine: under your belly, behind your back, and between your legs. These are the spots that benefit from extra support while you sleep during your pregnancy. Though they might not work wonders for everyone, in general a pregnancy pillow can ease your adjustment to a new sleeping position. Keep your neck, back, and hips aligned during sleep. Reduce the pressure around your hips and pubic bone by keeping your legs parallel to one another. Improve circulation. Improve common pregnancy conditions like heartburn, nasal congestion, and leg cramps. Prevent you from accidentally rolling over onto your back while you sleep. Everyone should consider whether their pillows and mattresses are providing correct alignment of the spine, but this is especially true during pregnancy.